Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 18 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to bathroom. As usual, we have divided the lesson into 3 sets, and they are grouped based on the difficulty of the vocabulary and on how commonly they are used. You can choose to stop at any set according to level of expertise you are looking for. Let's start off with the easy set and most commonly used vocabulary. Sink.
Le lavabo.
Toilet.
La toilette.
Shower.
La douche.
Towel.
La serviette.
Mirror.
Le miroir.
Soap.
Le savon.
Toothbrush.
La brosse à dents.
Toothpaste.
Le dentifrice.
Bath.
Le bain.
Water.
L'eau.
Toilet paper.
Le papier toilette.
Shampoo.
Le shampoing.
Conditioner.
L'après-shampoing.
Comb.
Le peigne.
Brush. La brosse. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Bathtub.
La baignoire.
Faucet.
Le robinet.
Razor.
Le rasoir.
Hairdryer.
Le sèche-cheveux.
Plunger.
La ventouse.
Shower curtain.
Le rideau de douche.
Towel rack.
Le porte-serviette.
Toothpaste tube.
Le tube de dentifrice.
Floss.
Le fil dentaire.
Mouthwash.
Le bain de bouche.
Nail clippers.
Le coupe-ongle.
Tweezers.
La pince à épiler.
Makeup.
Le maquillage.
Shaving cream.
La crème à raser.
Deodorant.
Le déodorant.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the final set. Cotton swab.
Le coton-tige.
Loofah.
Le gant de crin.
Scale.
La baloche.
Bidet.
Le bidet.
Butt malt.
Le tapis de bain.
Toilet brush.
La brosse de toilette.
Medicine cabinet.
L'armoire à pharmacie.
Contact lens.
La lentille de contact.
Eye drops.
Les gouttes pour les yeux.
Hair conditioner.
L'après-shampoing.
Hand soap.
Le savon pour les mains.
Body wash.
Le gel douche.
Face wash.
Le nettoyant pour le visage.
Moisturizer.
La crème hydratante.
Shaving brush.
Le blaireau de rasage.
Electric shaver.
Le rasoir électrique.
Bath salts.
Les sels de bain.
Bubble bath.
Le bain moussant.
Foot scrub.
Le gommage pour les pieds.
Shower gel.
Le gel de douche.
Shower head.
Le pommeau de douche.
Bathrobe.
Le peignoir.
Washcloth.
Le gant de toilette.
Hair clip.
La pince à cheveux.
Hair tie.
L'élastique à cheveux.
Facial tissue.
Le mouchoir en papier.
Hair mousse. La mousse coiffante. Body lotion.
La lotion pour le corps.
Tooth powder. La poudre dentifrice. Q-tips.
Les cotons-tiges.
Pumice stone.
La pierre ponce.
Nail file.
La lime à ongles.
Pedicure kit.
Le kit de pédicure.
Bathroom scale.
La balance de salle de bain.
Hand towel.
La serviette pour les mains.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson, and we will meet again in the next